Before you try to feel good, before your mind reaches for light and warmth, it needs to let go of everything it's been carrying. Because positivity cannot grow through tension. Like a seed can't push through stone. That's why today we begin differently. First, complete release, complete stillness. And only then, when your body and mind are truly ready, we enter the state where real healing happens. Scientists call it heart coherence. When your heart and brain begin to sync, your immune system strengthens. Cortisol drops. Your body begins to restore itself. And if you fall asleep, that's completely fine. Your subconscious will keep listening. Come back to this meditation every day, and you will feel the difference. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let the surface beneath you hold the full weight of your body, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for just a moment, and slowly, very slowly, breathe out through your mouth. Once more, breathe in and breathe out. And one last time, the deepest one. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go of everything. Every thought from today, every task, every conversation. All of it can wait. Now simply watch your breath. Don't control it, just watch. It comes on its own and goes on its own. Now I want to do something important. Right now there is tension somewhere in your body. Maybe in your shoulders, maybe in your jaw, maybe in your chest. You might not even notice it, but it's there. And right now, we are going to gently, effortlessly release it. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Just feel it. Simply feel it. Imagine a warm wave beginning to move slowly downward, gently, softly. Your forehead relaxes. The small creases between your brows smooth out. Your eyelids, heavy, soft. Your eyes beneath them floating in the dark. Your cheeks soften. Your lower jaw eases down slightly. Your lips part just a little. That's fine. Let your face become completely soft. The warmth flows into your neck. Your neck holds so much tension every day. Give it permission to rest now. Into your shoulders, and your shoulders drop. Just drop. A little lower than you expected. Down your arms, to your elbows, your wrists, your palms. Your hands heavy and warm. Maybe a gentle tingling. That's energy. Your chest relaxes. Your breath grows wider, freer, as if something let go. Your belly softens. Let it simply be. No holding in, no control. Your back. Your lower back releases. Your spine settles gently into what's beneath you. Your hips grow heavy. Your legs relax. Your knees, your calves, your feet, all the way to the tips of your toes. Your whole body now heavy, warm, still. And now I want you to notice something. Thoughts are still arriving. That's completely normal. The mind doesn't know how to stop. But you are not inside those thoughts right now. You are the one watching them. A thought appears, you notice it, and it passes. like a cloud across the sky. You are not the cloud. You are the sky. Let the last thoughts of the day simply drift by. You don't hold them. You don't push them away. You just watch them float past. And now, when your body has released, when the thoughts have quieted, when there is a little space inside, this is the moment we've been moving toward. Bring your attention to your heart. Simply feel it. It's beating, steadily, without effort, without your help. It beat while you slept. It beat when you were afraid. It beat when you were in pain. Never stopping, never asking for anything, simply for you. Imagine that in the very center of your chest, a small, warm light begins to glow. Very small, quiet, but alive. Not bright, soft, like a candle in a dark room. This is your heart, and right now it is opening. This light slowly begins to grow. It fills your chest from within. Warm, golden, gentle. Feel this warmth. Maybe it's a soft pressure in your chest. Maybe it's a sense of expansion. Maybe it's simply heat. Just let it be. And now, allow the feeling of gratitude to enter this light. You don't need to think of something grand, something simple. That right now, you are breathing. That your heart is beating. That you are here. That you are alive. Feel it as warmth, as a gentle opening in your chest. This warmth grows. It becomes larger, fuller, warmer. Now add love for yourself, for this body that carries you every single day, for this life that is yours, without effort, without explanation. Simply love. Quiet, warm, yours. And now, peace. Feel how everything inside aligns, settles, falls into place. Your heart and brain working together, in one rhythm, in one state. This is coherence. This is healing. Now imagine that this golden light from your chest slowly begins to spread through your whole body, through your shoulders, down your arms, to the tips of your fingers, along your spine, through your belly, through your hips, all the way to your feet. Every cell of your body bathed in this warm, golden light. Every organ receiving the signal, I am safe. I can restore. I can heal. I can be well. Stay in this state. Your body is doing its work right now. While you feel this light, while you rest in this warmth, your immune system is strengthening. Your nervous system is calming. Your cells are restoring. You are healing. Just rest here. Now repeat with me, inside yourself, slowly, feeling every word. My body knows how to heal itself. My body knows how to heal itself. I send my body love and gratitude. I send my body love and gratitude. Every cell of my body is filled with life. Every cell of my body is filled with life. My heart and my brain work together. My heart and my brain work together. I am safe. I am safe. My body is restoring right now. My body is restoring right now. I choose health. I choose health. I choose peace. I choose peace. I choose life. I choose life. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am whole. I am whole. These are not just words. They are signals. Your body hears them. It always has. Right now, you are speaking to it in the language it understands, the language of love. Rest in this warmth a little longer. Simply be. Simply feel this light inside you. Golden, warm, alive. This light has always been inside you. It doesn't go anywhere. You can return to it anytime. Simply place your hand on your chest. Feel your heartbeat. And remember this feeling. And now, very gently, begin to return. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, slowly, and your toes. Take a full breath in and breathe out. Once more. Take a gentle stretch. And when you're ready, without any rush, softly open your eyes. Take this warmth with you. It belongs to you. It never leaves. Write one word in the comments, what you felt during this meditation. I read every single response. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one.